First you say, hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So what are we doing?
Making chia pudding.
Chia pudding, yes, we're gonna make it together. All right, let's do it. So we're gonna make a chia banana pudding. We've made a chia pudding before, but this is very different and it's quicker as well, okay? Mashed banana, we'll go first. Okay, so we'll put the mashed banana in the bowl.
Yeah.
Ew. Mashed banana. What is this? What's this?
Chia seeds.
Chia seeds. And it's only 1/3 of a cup. Now, 1/3 of a cup of chia seeds is gonna go a long way, okay? And we're gonna use coconut milk. Light, I use light coconut milk, okay? Now I sometimes, if you like it a little bit sweet, I'll put like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. All right, so you mix that through, and once you've mixed it through, then you just cover it with some plastic and just put it in the fridge and let it sit overnight. And then the next day, the kids have enough for school, or they can have it as a treat. Now, while Momo is doing that, I actually had made some yesterday, and this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna use a spoon to show you. Once it's firm, it looks like a little bit of a pudding, okay? And now I'm gonna put some in here in a glass, and I'm gonna show you how I make it for my kids at school. I use just these little tiny containers. You can buy them anywhere, at any supermarket or reject shop or whatever it is. So I'll just put some chia pudding in there. So you've got your banana in there.
Finished mixing.
You finished mixing? Okay, put it to the side. And if you want to serve it to the kids at home, you can put it in glasses for them. Now, what I'm going to do now is use the banana. I've chopped up some fresh banana and I put it on top of their little containers. And that's it. That's how you do it. Now, I love to drizzle a touch of maple syrup on top just to make it a nice, like, caramelly sweet flavor. How quick was that? Now, I could do that the night before, and then my kids can even have it for breakfast with fruit on it. They don't even need to take it for lunch. But there you go, you've got your lunch box for your kids, healthy, easy. And then you've also got one for the house, for the kids, if they want to have it after dinner or before dinner or as a snack. There you have it. Do you want to try it just to tell me what it tastes like? Okay, let's see if it passes the test. Is it good? Tell them how good it is.
Amazing.
Is it amazing? Okay, good. We'll see you next time with another quick, healthy recipe. Bye.